Welcome to Intellify. How do organisms manage to survive in cold and hot climates? Why are camels found in deserts and polar bears found in Antarctica? And what will happen if we change their habitat? We find certain animals in certain climates because of adaptation. Now let's see what is adaptation. Adaptation is defined as change in the structure or behavior of an organism that allows it to survive in a particular habitat. Hot climate. Desert climate is unbearable to certain animals, but camels feel comfortable in this climate. There are other animals also who survive in scorching heat because of different adaptation methods. The best example to understand adaptation in hot climates is camel, which is known as the ship of desert. The most attractive feature of camels is their hump, that is the reservoir of fatty tissues, which help them to survive without water for many weeks. Other features like long eyelashes, ear hair protect camels by keeping sand out when the wind blows. All the animals of hot climates share some common characteristics like they don't sweat much, urinate and defecate less to minimize water loss. Some animals have a high ratio of bodily surface area and volume for maximum heat release. For example, jackrabbits have long appendages and elongated ears. Kangaroo rats don't have elongated limbs, they only become active during morning and evening time to protect themselves from heat during noon. There are also many other adaptation methods adapted by animals. Cold climate. Winter season is all about eating warm food, wrapped in blankets, etc. for humans, but some animals are adapted to this season and don't require extra material to keep themselves warm. The best example for adaptation in a cold climate is explained by white fur animals known as polar bears. Polar bear fur acts as an insulator to keep their body warm and at the same time provides camouflage to its prey. Polar bears, along with white whales, seals, etc., have thick fat under the skin which acts as an insulator from the cold. Animals like penguins stay in groups, which not only help them to keep their body warm but also protects them from their enemies. Some reptiles and amphibians have small body structures like small limbs, small ears, etc., or we can say just opposite of hot climate animals so that they can warm themselves quickly. Migration. Migration is a form of adaptation which is performed by both hot climate and cold climate organisms, especially birds. Migration involves mass movement of birds and certain animals from one place to another in response to climate change. They migrate to avoid unfavorable conditions and return to their native place when conditions become favorable again. For example, crane, pronghorn, etc. In order to survive in different conditions, animals are equipped with different features which help them to adapt to their environment. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more such interesting content and subscribe to Intellify. Thank you for watching.